Hey food lovers, welcome back to my channel. This is Kavya. I prepare pure vegetarian recipes that are extremely easy to make and you can make them on the go. You can also watch them in Telugu and I'll link it in the description box below. Don't forget to check out my Instagram, Cooks Recipes, for all these yummy recipes. Today's recipe, Bhel Puri, is almost everyone's favorite. It's vegan, it's healthy, and it's extremely tasty. And guess what? You can make it in lesser time than your favorite 2-minute noodles. I just love it. You definitely have to make it. It's extremely easy, it's student friendly too. Now let's get into the process. I've taken puffed rice in a bowl and I'm adding chopped onions. Now this is a street style recipe, so if you ask me how much to put in, I'd say how much ever you like. I added chopped tomatoes and chopped jalapenos. So I've chosen jalapenos over the traditional green chilies because they're much lesser in spice. And I've realized I need a bigger bowl. Now add in green chutney that is made of cilantro, mint, green chilies and salt. Also add in sweet chutney that's made of tamarind paste, jaggery, salt and pepper. If you want me to make a separate video of how these two chutneys are to be done, please comment in the section below so that I can make a video. Now mix all of these together. Now notice that because I've added salt and pepper in the two chutneys, I'm not adding any spices or anything. This is a very easy peasy street style recipe. Now what's a bhel puri without eating from a paper cone, right? Transfer all of this into a paper cone. Just sprinkle in some lemon juice on the top. Add in some roasted peanuts. They add a beautiful crunch to the dish. It's just amazing. And also add in save. Oh my god, this looks so delicious. I just love it. It's so yummy. Please do check out my other recipes. Don't forget to comment, like, share and also subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.